How to adjust undertones for perfect photos on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up your camera app. Next, at the bottom, tap on the photo mode. Then tap on the undertone button at the top here. Or you can tap on this button. So tap on this button to open up this layout at the bottom, and then tap on undertone. From here, you can drag on the white dot to make the necessary adjustment. You can also increase or decrease the strength of your undertones. And here we can swipe across for a different style. So here we can change the mood. And then we adjust here. Once you're happy, you can then just tap on the capture button. And that's it. And here is the picture after we have select the desired undertones. And that's it. So that is how you can adjust undertones for perfect photos on the iPhone 16 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.